The creek fire wiped out a mountain landmark 6 miles below Shaver Lake just before midnight Tuesday. Cressman's General Store has been a fixture on Highway 168 for more than a century. Jake Taney was heading up the hill and shot this video as he rolled past Cressman's. As you can see, most of it had already been reduced to ashes. Viewer Ted Dilks was also in the area and snapped this picture as the fire was still boiling. Fox 26 reporter Marie Edinger was ready to go live from Cressman's Monday night at 10. She says firefighters were spraying down the roof, but everyone had to relocate as the fire got closer. This is what it looked like when the sun came up Tuesday. The chimney was still standing, along with part of the building's frame. Most of the gas station made it through the fire, but it's the main building that matters most. Viewer Jeff Blankenship also shared pictures of what was left of Cressman's. It was the topic of the day on social media. Monica Real wrote, "Makes me cry. This is extremely sad to see." Joanne Leal commented, "So heartbreaking." Jerry Knapp wrote, "Hopefully they will rebuild when this is over." In August of 2019, Fox 26 News introduced you to the new owner of Cressman's, Ty Gillette.
When I found out about the opportunity, I just thought it was too good to pass up.
For years, Cressman's has been a mountain destination for pies, cookies, and rolls. Loyal customers are hopeful that Cressman's will be back when the smoke finally settles. Rich Rodriguez, Fox 26, your hometown news connection.